the running stitch, and it is a pretty easy stitch. You're going to start at the beginning of the first line, and then you're going to put your needle through right here at the end of that stitch space. Now, we're going to keep moving forward. So we're going to skip about a stitch length, come up, and go back down. One stitch length forward. So we're always going to be moving forward in this running stitch. We're going to skip one stitch length forward and then go down another stitch length. So a running stitch is going to create a little dashed line for us, which sometimes just adds a cute little bit of decoration. The key with this stitch is to keep your spaces even and to keep your stitches even. That's going to give you the best look. And if you've ordered this kit, then it's pretty easy because you just get to stay on the dashed line essentially. So finishing off this running stitch is pretty simple. If you didn't have guidelines like this, as you get toward the end, trying to space your stitches out as evenly as possible so that you don't end up with a weird little stitch, but we're actually going to end up with a weird little stitch. So you can see this last one, there's not quite a whole stitch there, but that's okay. There you go. And now it's ready to tie off in the back.